Hi guys! Please allow me to introduce to you my current skincare routine, which is Vibrant Glamour Botanical Retinol Matrix Duo 2.0. Its gentle yet powerful dual retinol formula combines tech or encapsulated retinol and botanical retinol or bakuchiol. It works synergistically day and night for steady anti-aging. In the morning, after using it as a primer, I find that my makeup glides smoothly and applies easily. At night, I apply the duo like a mask to envelop my skin with nutrition while I sleep. I love their texture. It glides smoothly, it's never sticky, and I also like its fragrance. It's like a pleasant, woody, herbal scent, while this one is fragrance-free. This serum and cream duo works synergistically day and night for multiplied results. With Vibrant Glamour, it's a sensory experience. It's not greasy at all, and each use leaves my skin feeling softer and firmer. It is quite gentle and doesn't turn my skin red or peel. Thank you for watching!